Hello guys, thank you for clicking to this video. Consider also subscribing for more tutorials to come on how to do something. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, today I would like to show you how to get free data bundles in Kenya. There is other tutorial I shared on how to get free data bundles in Kenya, but this one is somehow different than the other one, so you can check out the other video. You still use Safaricom app, but today I'll share more details on how to get free SIM cards. Free SIM cards. So you can see currently Safaricom they are offering free SIM cards. Free SIM card. Actually, they say you activate with 50 pop airtime, but just avoid activate with. We are getting them for free. Pure kabisa. So unaenda kwa mtu wa Safaricom, they call Safaricom agent, or mtu anauza SIM cards, those who sell SIM cards. Safaricom, I don't know, they dealers. So if you have access to those people, they can register you for free SIM cards. Actually, they have free SIM cards they can give you, I'm sure. If you know anybody who is selling SIM cards, or if you have any Safaricom agent, a friend maybe, relative, and anybody you may know, in this case, in this field, anaweza kusaidia kupata free SIM cards. So you can go to that person, he give you free SIM cards. That is option 1. Option 2, you can use your relative, your friend, or your family's SIM cards to access these data bundles. Free data bundles. They are just free, and they are 500 MB free. You are given for 3 days. You can use those bundles for 3 days. And if you are using them through your phone, you can use them maximally watching YouTube videos, see Facebook, whatever you like to do with them. So here is the process. After you get those SIM cards, you go to your Safaricom app. Let me show you how. Safaricom app. You can download it from the App Store or Play Store. Yeah, here it is. This Safaricom app. This app it is called mysafaricom app. It will give you unlimited data bundles. How? So as you can see mine, if I can open, currently my data is off, but there's a reason why I put it off. You can see I have 500 MB given to my SIM cards, but I want to receive another 500 MB also for free. What I need to do is go to Safaricom, this app again. Just go to this app, go to open more details, so you can go to, let me show you the quickest way. Go to this app, properties, or to settings, then locate your Safaricom app, then go to storage. If this process will give you a headache, let me show you how the quickest way. Go to settings, scroll down to apps, this, search where my Safaricom app is found, this one, then go to storage, this, then what you need to do here is to clear storage. You clear storage, so this app itaresume iwe kama you have just downloaded it as a new one. So itakuwa imedelete all the accounts, all the details in, then you start afresh. So after this, you open your data bundles, like using 3G. So go to your settings, then network and internet, change it to 3G. So not a must, but you can change if you like. There's a reason why I'm using 3G. Okay, then go to Safaricom app again. Yeah, right at the desktop. Just click it. Allow. The rest is just to follow the procedure. You need to accept the terms and conditions. Then you wait for a verification PIN code. Then you will receive, I'm sure, 500 MP and so on. So you can use them to browse internet as you like. So this is the simplest way how to get free data bundles in Kenya. So I told you you need to have free SIM cards. I gave you two options on how to get them. Actually three. One, go to MPESA Agent, those people who sell SIM cards. Talk to them. Actually ongea kabisa na wao. They will give you free SIM cards. Make them friends. If you like to get again another way, I told you, you use your friends, your relative and family members SIM card to buy this data. As usual, after you use a different SIM card. You also again you go to storage and you clear storage. You go to your mysafaricom. You go to setting, clear storage, and you start afresh. Then you get another MP. So per day you can get 2 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB as you like. I said it is unlimited. You can clear storage, use another SIM card, and the process continues. So consider subscribing, as I said. May God bless you. Thank you.